Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day today. So today what I want to show you guys is how to use the SolidWorks coordinate system along with the SolidCAM side of things. So I have a pretty simple part pulled up right here. First thing what I'll do is go to my reference geometry, and this is how you create a coordinate system inside of SolidWorks. So I can come up here if I want the top left point, and you can see I got my X, Y, and Z. Just to make sure everything is aligned, I can do my X and Y axes. I can come in here and flip them around so we're getting pointing in the right direction. So I got my Y going in the right direction, got my Z going in the right direction, and my X going in the right direction. So now if I save that, I'll just hit Control S to save that, and I'll say Tools, SolidCAM New Milling. All right, now what we'll do is go to our coordinate system, and what I can do is click on Select Coordinate System, and right here, as soon as I click on this Select Coordinate System, it will automatically populate the coordinate system that I created in SolidWorks. So I can just click on that, hit the green check mark, and we're good to go. So if you guys want to create those coordinate systems inside of SolidWorks and have the full associativity as well, that's the best way to go about it and how to do it. So just want to share that for the tip of the day today, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow with your tip of the day. Thanks guys. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.